Alright folks, today I'm diving into a fascinating topic, Iran's drone strategy against Israel. Specifically, we'll be looking at the events of April 13, 2024, when Iran launched a significant drone and missile attack on Israeli targets. This was in retaliation for an Israeli airstrike on the Iranian embassy in Damascus, which resulted in the assassination of high-value Iranian individuals. So, what happened during the attack? Iran deployed a staggering 295 drones and 5 ballistic missiles. These drones took hours to reach their targets and were tracked by Israeli air defenses the entire time. Despite the large number, the damage on the ground was minimal. Israel claimed that its air defense systems, along with those of its US, UK, and other allies, shot down 99% of the incoming threats. Mass media quickly hailed this as a major victory for Israel's air defense capabilities. But if you dig a little deeper, you'll find that the situation is more nuanced. First off, there was significant diplomatic pressure from the US and Arabian allies to prevent Iran from escalating the conflict further. Iran's response was carefully calibrated to send a message without causing extensive damage. In fact, none of the drones were intended to hit their targets. Only a few ballistic missiles reached their destinations, and even those were not designed to cause significant harm. Now here's where things get really interesting. The air defense systems used by Israel and its allies cost tens of millions of dollars to operate. Each air defense missile costs around $1 million or $2 million, while each drone costs just a few $1,000s. To ensure a successful hit, multiple air defense missiles are often fired at a single target. This made the attack exceptionally expensive for Israel to repel. But the real genius of Iran's strategy was in the intelligence they gathered. By sacrificing their drones, Iran and its ally, Russia, were able to collect valuable electronic warfare intelligence. They effectively mapped out Israel's radar installations and assessed the technology in use. This kind of information is invaluable for any future engagements. Now let's pivot slightly to talk about radar, which is a cornerstone of electronic warfare. Radar technology has been around since the Battle of Britain in 1940. The British used it to track German sorties across the English Channel, marking its first significant use in warfare. In this video series, we'll delve deeper into electronic warfare, exploring how radar and other tech are used in modern conflicts. Stay tuned for more insights and analysis on this fascinating subject. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more updates. Catch you in the next one.